What exactly is in the air you breathe inside your home? Your furnace and air conditioner circulate air through your system and either heat it or cool it, depending on which system you've working at the time. But what is in that air? In your home, things like dust and pet dander can get into the air and are recirculated by your HVAC system. But worse yet, other pollutants like viruses and bacteria that cause colds and respiratory problems can also be in the air in your home. So how do you stop all that bad stuff? The first line of defense is an air filter that goes into your furnace. But there are lots of options for filters. Air filters trap and collect small particles in the air. An air filter MERV rating tells you what size particles your filter can catch and remove from the air you breathe. An air filter with a MERV rating of 1 to 6 will probably catch some of the larger particles. The higher the MERV rating, 7 or greater, will catch much smaller particles and prevent most of it getting into the air in your home. Call Airtron to find out what is the best filter for your home and ask about having them sent directly to your home when it's time to change your filter.